I'm going to show you how I replace a heel, because this one I made a little while ago and some of the gemstones have all fallen off. So it is time for a new pair of heels, and I'm going to replace it with this beautiful sparkly one here. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the Mary Jane strap, and I'm going to peel back the insole sock to show me where the screws are. Once we've got the heels off, we can pop them to the side, and we're going to need to screw in the new ones. But before we do that, I really want to make sure that I'm going through the same little holes that I've already put into my insole board. So what I'm going to do is take my new heel and just place it at the back, and then I'm going to drill through my original 2 holes to create a mark on my new heel. And at that point, I can then take my screws, put them back in the original holes, and screw the new heel in. So once you've got those screws in nice and flush, we can just go ahead and glue our insock back down. And there we have a brand new heel.